What's up, y'all? It's your girl everlenia.chenelle here, and of course I am back with another video. So of course I'm just showing y'all how I achieved this look today. I will say this look, it took me up outside of my comfort zone because I don't normally do looks like this, but I like it. I think it's cute, and yeah. But of course, before we get into the video, I just want to say, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to your girl, turn your notifications on, and yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna start by prepping my eye using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade, I think this is Cappuccino. Yes, it's Cappuccino. So I'm just gonna use that as a primer because this one mostly matches my skin tone. So I'm gonna use it as a primer just to prep my eyelid. Alright, so I put like this little I don't know what you call it, honestly. I got these from my mama, but it's like a little makeup eye patch thing, I guess. Anyway, I put it down. It's just like equivalent to using tape, but I put this down so I can better have so I can have more control of my shape. And to make the wing, I'm just gonna be using my NYX Epic Wear Liner in the shade White to create like the white wing. All right, so to create like the little cow print effect, I used my NYX Professional, that's the point liner pen, and then I just filled it in with the NYX Epic Wear in black, Epic Wear Liner in black. So I used this to create the shape, and then I filled in the shape with the NYX Epic Wear. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my Denessa Myricks Color Fix Green Neon Pigment, and I'm just gonna outline the inside of that white liner. Now moving on to face, I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, and y'all already know I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Today for the foundation, I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte. This is my shade 420, and I'm gonna put that all over my face too. Y'all noticed when I was applying my foundation, I forgot to color correct, but it's whatever. Like, I just doubled up on the foundation, but I ain't gonna lie, I was a little bit irritated about that because I don't see how I forgot that. I do that all the time. Y'all know? Anyway, moving on, I'm gonna be highlighting using my my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Golden Honey. I'm gonna highlight under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Using my Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette, I'm just going to contour my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And this is the medium to dark cream contour palette. Set my highlight, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup and my Juvia's Place Magic Setting Powder in the shade Gobi. And of course, I'm just gonna set everywhere that I apply my highlight and concealer. using the black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. This is the powder one in the shade Dark to Deep. I'm just gonna set everywhere I did my contour concealer. To blend everything in today, I'm gonna use this Mario Badescu facial spray. This is the cucumber and green tea, and I'm just gonna, you know, blend everything. I'm gonna spray some of that and blend everything together with my flat top brush. I'm gonna try this matte, this Essence Matte Bronzing palette. I don't know which one. This is what it looks like on the inside. I don't know which one I'm gonna use yet. I'm feeling like it's gonna be this one, but yeah, I'm gonna try this one today because I haven't tried it yet. So we gonna see. Alright, so for the glow today, I'm gonna be using this Makeup Revolution palette. It doesn't have a name, so I don't know what to call it, but it's like a it has 4, you know, highlighters in here. I'm gonna use this one, I think. Or this one. I don't really know yet, but I think I'm gonna use this one. This is the one I'm gonna use today. Alright y'all, so that's that for the video. I did apply my lashes offline as well as did my lips, but I'll link, I don't think I know the name of these lashes, y'all, I'm sorry. There's some lashes that I used before and I don't know if I still have the box, but I'll link everything I used for my lips though. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I feel like this is really cute. This is something different. I never, you know, tried anything like this before. So I am kind of proud of myself for stepping outside the box with this one. And yeah, y'all try it. Let me know. Let me know. Anyway, y'all, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl, turn your notifications on, all that good stuff. I'll talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.